Omkar Academy provides online live coaching for students of class 8 to 12th studying in all boards. We are based at Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Today we are going to learn numericals of chapter 10 Gravitation of class 9 in CBSE. Example 10.6. A block of wood is kept on a tabletop. The mass of wooden block is 5 kg and its dimensions are 40 cm into 20 cm into 10 cm. Find the pressure exerted by the wooden block on the tabletop with its sides of dimensions A 20 cm into 10 cm and B 40 cm into 20 cm. We write the data. Mass is equal to 5 kg. Dimension of the wood and block is 40 cm into 20 cm into 10 cm. Thrust is equal to weight of body which applies thrust to the tabletop. So formula is equal to force is equal to m into g. Substituting the value 5 into 9.8 which is equal to 49 Newton. Now we need to find pressure exerted by the wooden block on the tabletop with its sides of dimension 20 cm into 10 cm. Area of the side is equal to 20 into 10 which is equal to 200 cm square. As pressure deals with meter square, we will convert area of the side into meter square which is equal to 0.02 meter square. Now we need to find pressure. Formula of pressure is equal to thrust upon area which is equal to 49 upon 0.02. We get 2450 Newton per meter square. Now we need to find pressure exerted by the wooden block on the tabletop with the dimensions of 40 cm into 20 cm. We take data from the previous slide. Mass is equal to 5 kg. Dimensions are 40 cm into 20 cm into 10 cm. Thrust is equal to weight of the body which applies thrust. Force is equal to mass into gravitational acceleration which is equal to 5 into 9.8 which is equal to 49 Newton. Now area of the side will be 40 into 20 which is equal to 800 centimeter square. We will convert centimeter square to meter square by dividing by 10,000. We get 0.08 meter square. Now we need to find pressure which is equal to thrust upon area. Substituting the values 49 upon 0.08 we get 612.5 Newton per meter square. If you like our content, please like and share our videos. Also, subscribe our channel Omkar Academy. Thank you.